Hey YouTube fam, how you doing? We're gonna do a fast design today. You could do this on top of natural nail acrylic. I'm doing it on top of Yayoge polygel. That base coat is Yayoge's rubber base coat. I'm loving it. It's thick. So with the striping tape, do any type of design that you want and then apply this first base coat to where you're gonna want the chrome powder at in your design. Take the base coat all the way up to the striping tape. That's what I did to get nice crisp edges, to get a point. After you do this, then cure it.
Why is it God that they're trying to be? The acquisition of wealth and power is what they know. They've always been among us, they own us, they run the show. When it comes to making a difference, we ain't moving. Freedom is a fallacy, you're just a free-range human. From the crib to the grave, you live as a slave, and that's just a
Okay, here's the chrome. You just want to dab it on, and then where it's all the sticky surface is covered with chrome, and then you can use the brush and rub it in really good. This has great coverage. These are just 3 of Yayoge's color. The far right one where you see the silver lid, that's actually color shifting chrome powder they have, and then the red and the gold are part of the regular chrome powders they have.
everything goes in circles, but there's no revolutions. They create the problems, then they offer the solutions. We're nothing but going to them, they treat us like subhumans. Take a look around you, what you see is just illusions. Everything goes in circles, but there's no revolutions. They create the problems, then they offer the solutions. We're nothing but going to them, they treat us like subhumans.
What you see is just illusions. What you see is just illusions. What you see is just illusions. What you see is just illusions.
After you've finished applying all the chrome, take the striping tape off and look at your lines, clean up anything you may have, and then apply a base coat to the full nail so we can apply glitter and then top coat, and then we'll be finished.
How much worse must it get before we do something about it? For we are many, they are few, man, we got them surrounded. It's time we think outside the cage where our brains have been placed. The true history of the world has been changed and erased. It's 1984, these things are so unreal.
I just took a little makeup brush and applied the glitter randomly where I wanted it, and then later you'll see the stars are a little bit more trickier because the shape and they're thicker, but the glitter really goes on easy. And right now you cured it, there's just that sticky top layer, so it sticks to it really well. You can kind of move it around and play with it, get it where you want it before you put the top coat on. So it doesn't matter applying it with a brush, because you can really fix it. If you need to fix it a little more detailed, you can get in there with something else and move it around. So just have fun with it.
What you see is just illusions. What you see is just illusions. What you see is just illusions. What you see is just illusions.
If it gets to where it's not sticky anymore, you can always apply a little more base coat in the spot where you're maybe trying to add a detailed star. You can add a base coat right there, cure it, and then put the star on there and get ready for the top coat.
What you see is just illusions. What you see is just illusions.
Alright, top coating time. The secret to it is just heavy handed. Just use a little extra top coat and float over the decoration, so maybe it doesn't move as much. it's holding on to just that base coat. And if it does, push it back where it is and push it in the gel, and after you cure it, it'll stay and it'll be fine. The top coat doesn't have any pigment, so it cures fine. If you use a little extra, don't forget to seal in your edges all around everything, and you should be good to go. I call it floating. I float a little extra top coat over it, and just don't put as much pressure on it as you maybe would if there wasn't the glitter stuck to the base coat. Thank you guys. Let me know how you like the short design video, and I'll see you later.
We're gonna just have to attack. This is our world and we're snatching it back. If you don't want it, move off to the side. Not for the cowardly, not for the weak. Only the strong come along for the ride. Won't be so simple, I'm not gonna lie. But that doesn't mean that I'm not gonna try. With everything that they're doing to all of us, maybe tomorrow we're all gonna die. Either way, they kill us slowly, dumb us down and make us dopey. Everything you see is fake and all the news you get is phony. It's time we show the people how